Let's get your Xumo Stream Box remote working. First, pairing connects your remote to the box via Bluetooth. To pair, hold the remote close to the Xumo box and press the pair button, usually on the back or side. Follow the on-screen prompts. The box should detect and confirm pairing within 10 to 20 seconds. If it's pre-paired when new, you're all set. For unpairing, hold home plus back for 5 seconds. Now let's move to resetting. To reset the remote, remove the batteries, wait 30 seconds, and reinsert them. For a full box reset, hold home plus power for 10 seconds. Remember, this erases all data, so backup settings first. Resetting clears any corrupted firmware or stuck pairings. Note, reset should be a last resort troubleshooting step. Before resetting, try unplugging the Xumo box for 60 seconds for a soft reset. To set up voice control, go to Settings in the Xumo app or Box Settings, then select Voice and enable Alexa. Next, link your Amazon account to complete the setup. Once linked, use the remote's microphone button to give voice commands. Ensure your box is connected to the internet. The remote transitions through states during setup. For troubleshooting pairing issues, ensure the box is powered on and within 30 feet Bluetooth range. Interference from microwaves can disrupt Bluetooth. Avoid interference from microwaves that can disrupt Bluetooth. If problems persist, try resetting the remote or box, or download the Xumo troubleshooting app from the App Store. Keep your firmware updated for the best experience.